Yeah, poor thing, huh? Look at that birdie running. You see that birdie? He can't see it. Lift him up there. We have to cover up all the windows.
I guess so.
Looks like she's chewing something.
No, she's chirping. You can't hear that. She's going choop, 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 choop.
Oh, is she?
Uh-huh.
There's a birdie up there, Ron. Let's put him up here and let him
No, honey.
see. You gonna bark at her?
No, see, look, that Jay came there on the roof, and she went away. See that Jay there, or whatever that is?
Mm-hmm. There she is. She went up on the rain gutter, too.
She's back. He didn't stop her. He's still up there.
Yeah. Oh, he wants to make love with her.
No, he
Yeah,
doesn't.
that's a love dance he just did.
But he is not a cardinal. He's not her type.
Yeah, but boys get horny.
There she goes. She'll be right back, though. There he goes.
Well, he went the other way.
Uh-huh. I told you, they're not birds of a feather.